Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to change language in the Nioh 3 game. So first of all, launch the Nioh 3 game, and when you are on this menu screen, then click on System, and then on the left, click on Language Settings, and here you can change the language. You can change the language of text as well as voice. So click on this arrow icon. The available language is French, Italian, German, Spanish, Chinese, Portuguese. So these are the available language that you can change to. You can also change the voice language, Japanese, English. Only two languages available for the voice, Japanese and English. So set your language that you want to change to and then click on Q button on your keyboard. So by this way you can easily change language in Nioh 3 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.